This ensures that the manufacturing process runs as efficiently as possible. AI can also be used to identify and diagnose defects in PCBs. This can help to improve yield rates and reduce the number of defective boards that are produced. In addition, AI can be used to optimize the placement of components on a PCB. This can help to improve the manufacturing process and reduce costs. AI-powered systems can also be used to monitor the manufacturing process in real time. This helps to identify and correct potential problems before they lead to defects. Section 5. AI-enabled testing, detecting defects and optimizing test coverage for enhanced reliability. Testing is a critical part of the PCB manufacturing process. It is done to ensure that the final product meets the required quality and reliability standards. AI is playing an increasingly important role in PCB testing. AI-powered systems can develop more effective test procedures. This can help to identify a wider range of defects. AI can also be used to optimize test coverage. This ensures that all of the critical components and functions of a PCB are thoroughly tested. This can help to improve the quality and reliability of PCBs. This can also help to reduce the risk of failures in the field. Overall, AI-enabled testing can help to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the PCB testing process. This leads to higher quality, more reliable PCBs. Section 6. Ethical considerations and the future of AI in PCB design, balancing innovation with responsibility. As AI continues to play a larger role in PCB design and manufacturing, it is important to consider the ethical implications of this technology. One concern is that AI could lead to job displacement. This is as AI-powered systems become capable of automating many of the tasks that are currently done by human engineers and technicians. Another concern is the accuracy and reliability of AI-powered systems. It is important to ensure that these systems are designed and implemented in a way that minimizes the risk of errors or biases. This is because these errors or biases could have serious consequences. It is also important to consider the safety implications of AI-powered PCB design. We need to ensure that these systems are designed and implemented in a way that does not pose any risks to human health or safety. Despite these ethical considerations, the future of AI in PCB design is bright. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way PCBs are designed, manufactured, and tested. This can lead to shorter design cycles, lower costs, and higher quality products. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in the PCB industry in the years to come. AI will augment human capabilities, not replace them entirely. Human oversight and expertise will remain essential.